it's Lynette here, and I don't know what I keep doing with my camera. This happened the last time. Right, it's got a mind of its own. I need a new, I think I need a new tripod. I need a whole new setup, but that'll take time. So, I wasn't sure if I was going to do this unboxing, and I did debate it with a couple of friends of mine. But I've decided I am going to unbox it, probably later than everybody else. It is the March ASOS box. But before I do, I just want to tell you a little bit about the reasoning behind me not being sure if I was going to unbox this. Now, I've been a subscriber to, well, you can't subscribe to the ASOS beauty box, that's the thing, right? But I've been like a subscriber to ASOS for a long time. I do the yearly postage and packaging, mainly because of the beauty boxes that they've been bringing out, and they're fantastic value. They're really, really good. Some months they sell out really quickly, other months they don't. Some months there's things that I like, other months there isn't. So what I usually do is from the end of the month, the end of the month before, so from the end of February, I start looking under beauty box on ASOS, because sometimes they come out early, sometimes they come out late. So I had been doing that from the kind of end of February, and then somebody had said to me, oh, there's word that it's going to be released on the 5th of March, which is quite late. I thought, okay, so I had kept checking beauty box, mind, and then I got told, oh, it's on Instagram that apparently they're not, I'm not releasing it today. So I'd got up really early and had been checking even through the night, beauty box, and nothing had come up. So it got to about tea time, and I went onto Instagram and I'd seen all the comments saying that no, we're not releasing it. All we're releasing today is a countdown of the products that are going to be in the box. So there was a whole load of disappointed people, and I thought by that point, it's a lovely night, I'm away out to kind of go for a walk with Steve. And we're away on a walk, and I got a message from my friend, and she said, the ASOS box is out. And I was like, no, it's not being released. And she said, no, I've got this link. So it wasn't even, when I was checking beauty box, nothing had come up, but they had this direct link, and I went on it and it had sold out. It must have sold out literally in minutes. However, the stink up that it created on Instagram was unbelievable, because everybody had been told the box isn't going to be released. So if you'd been listening to ASOS on Instagram, you would have thought, well, it's not the box, it's not coming out. And it didn't come out till about 6 o'clock. And it didn't come up under beauty box, it came up under a link that I think one of my friends has managed to get. So she sent me the link and she said, keep trying. That's what I did. I kept trying, and it came up, because obviously people are leaving it in their baskets for over an hour, and then it goes back for general sale. So I managed to get a hold of a box. However, I debated about opening this box on the channel, because there's so many disappointed people out there that didn't get this box, and I was one of them. Until that, obviously getting them through other, not being able to, every time I went on it was out of stock, but a friend said to me, keep going, keep pressing that button. In fact, 2 friends said to me, look, don't give up, just keep refreshing. I must have sat for 3 hours, it felt like that anyway, refresh, and eventually I did manage to get one. But I was quite reluctant, because I know that there were so many disappointed people. However, I think ASOS need to really be answerable for what they did. I think they've given these boxes to influencers, to YouTubers. The demand is there for the boxes, but they're not, they're not reaching the demand, especially for a box like this box. And I think the total value of this box is £79 when I added it up. And I think the box costs £12, and I don't pay postage and packaging because I've got the free, paid for the subscription for the year. But there was one product in this that I think had everybody, that's why they wanted it. But ASOS, they must have known from the demand that, you know, they weren't able to meet the demand. So giving it to YouTubers and influencers and promoting it as widely as they did really let a lot of people down. And I know that I kind of thought twice about, you know, would I get another box? And I thought, oh, don't be silly. And I had hoped to get 2 boxes to give one away on my channel, but yeah, there was no chance that was happening. And that had been my plan actually before I realised there was such demand for it. But I know there's a lot of people bitterly disappointed, so yeah, I'm really sorry if you didn't get a box. I felt like crap myself when I didn't think I was going to get a box. I'm really disappointed that I had been checking and checking and checking. So yeah, that's the reason why I wasn't sure if I was going to even do this unboxing. Because it doesn't sit right with me when so many people didn't get a box. But I thought, do you know what? I can explain a little bit about why I was reluctant to unbox it and let you see the products that were in the box. There's one star item in this box. The rest of the items are brilliant as well, but there's one real star item in the box. However, if you're a person who only likes to buy cruelty free, this won't appeal to you because it's a company that now sell in China, which means that if you're somebody who really doesn't like products that test on animals, anything that's sold in China is, I think it's mandatory that they test. So the company does not test. So the company is still claiming that they are cruelty free, I think. However, if you sell in China, by definition, they test on animals. So I'm not, it's one of my favourite brands as well, so it's left me really conflicted. Yeah, and I don't know whether once I've used up my stash if I would purchase again. But this is a hero item in the box, and it's the LMS Pro Collagen Energising Marine Cleanser. Look at the size of it. It's £44, I think, if you were trying to buy it. It's 150 mils. And the smell, I think the smell is absolutely gorgeous. So you massage it into damp skin with fingertips, add warm water to create a lather, and then you rinse off. So the colour's a bit, the colour might be a bit off-putting for some people actually, or you might like it. I think it looks kind of, I think it's supposed to look quite refreshing, and I hope it's just, no it's not. I was going to say, I hope it's just the colour of the bottle, but the product's actually kind of a bluey greeny colour. But the marine cream is one of the nicest smelling products I've ever used. Yeah, it's scented like marine cream. Oh, it smells heavenly. It's lovely. So there you go. Wash my hands. There we go. Yeah, so that is the item that everybody was kind of probably, in my opinion, scrabbling to try and get it for. However, I think Beauty Bay had an LMS cleanser on it for a tenner, which I missed because I hesitated. The next item in here is Cordley, and it's a lovely brand, and it's an anti-wrinkle face sun cream, and it's a factor 50, which is fantastic. And it says here, does it say here, Ocean Protect? It's got a product. It's not got a product in it, that's maybe why it's Ocean Protect. So it says it's a light, non-sticky cream, is enriched with soothing organic grape water and gives maximum UVA, UVB protection for a radiant and lasting tan. A delicate sunny fragrance envelopes the skin. I'm going to open it up, and here it is here. I'm just going to pop, if it's got a thing on it, no it's not. I'm going to say if it's got the foil on it, I won't open it. I'll pop a little bit on my hand. So up until really recently, it's got a gentle scent, I think, but nothing I've really was sniffing on the channel. It's a bit rude, isn't it? So I was never sure where Sun Factor came in your everyday routine, because I either wear it on holiday or I trusted that the SPF in my foundation and my moisturiser was enough, and it isn't. So even if your moisturiser and your foundation have an SPF 15, it's not enough. So this actually comes at the end of everything. So your toners, your serums, your moisturisers, it comes after all of that, then you put that on. So that was a bit that I was unsure of, where does it go? So for me, when I start to leave the house, I will be ensuring that I use an SPF every day, even in the winter. The sun can be quite strong actually, and on a cloudy day, I remember my husband in Spain many moons ago, it's a cloudy day, he had his shorts on, we'd gone out for a walk because it was cloudy, didn't put any sun factor on, and he was burnt like a lobster. He actually spent the night in a freezing cold bath, and he was so ill. I thought, oh, we're going to have to go to the hospital. But luckily he managed to persevere in that cold bath. I don't know how he did it, but he managed to get the heat out. But oh, he was so ill, and it was such a daft thing to do looking back. But you know, you just kind of thought, oh, it's cloudy, it's not that hot, we'll be fine. My legs never get a tan anyway, but oh, it was almost like he was burnt through the bone. It was awful, and he was in so much pain. So yeah, after then I have always been hyper aware that you can get burnt in the clouds. This next product is something that I'm really interested to try. It's Sunday Riley Ice, and it's a moisturiser. I have never tried a Sunday Riley product. I think they're usually quite expensive. So I apply to clean skin twice a day, morning and night. Oh, look, little diddy. It'd be great if you, whenever we're allowed to go away again. Yeah, so it's quite full. It's not got a smell of anything. So what does it say about this? It says it's cruelty free as well, which is good. So no, ceramide moisturising cream. And I can't for the life of me read. It's interesting though, can you see that block there? They could have used half the packaging. I don't know why brands, well I know why brands do that, to make you think there's more in the box, but they could have got away with using half the cardboard, because cardboard is still a problem for the planet, by the way, guys. And another product here which I was looking forward to try was Alpha H Micro Super Scrub for the face and the body, and it has bamboo extract, and it's got 30 ml in it. So if it's for the face, I'm assuming, and body, it's not too harsh. So it says granulated glycolic exfoliant with bamboo stem extract, which effectively clears the skin of debris and smooths out lines and wrinkles to reveal a new freshness in the complexion. So apply to freshly cleansed skin using soft circular movements. Massage over the face, neck, décolletage and or body. For a deeper exfoliation, leave on the skin for 1 minute prior to removing with a warm damp face cloth. Follow with your preferred Alpha H moisturiser. So there you go. I would say never, for me, I never use a scrub more than twice a week. Even if it says it's a daily scrub, I do not use it. Twice a week for me. Unlike my pal, Lisa, who freely admits that she's a double scrubber. It makes me giggle when she says that. So this last product in here is by a brand that I really like. It's OK, and it's Hydrating Serum Mist. So it says it moisturises, and it also says it sets your makeup. So hyaluronic acid and vitamin B3, which will both make your skin feel nice and hydrated. So this is made in Korea. However, I'm going to show you why I will not be setting my makeup with this. Right, so that's the bottle there. So it's a nice wee bottle, and look, it's that kind of almost pearlescent-y quality that I don't think you're picking up on the camera. However, right, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. I sprayed this. It's like my hand is saturated. Honestly, I sprayed it on my face. It's got, I don't know what that, I'm sniffing the hand that's got the cleanser on it. I was like, well, that smells nice. I can't really smell anything, which is good. It took ages. When I tried this on my face when I first got the box, it just saturated my face, and it took ages to dry, and I thought I would not use this to set my makeup. I think I would end up drenched. So anyway, guys, here's the box that I hope you managed to get it if you really wanted it. As I say, I really wanted to get 2 so I could give one away on my channel. But I'm not sure I would have actually felt comfortable kind of getting 2 if people couldn't get one anyway. But yeah, I did want to get 2 so I could give one away on my channel. So that's it here. The £12 box that it seemed that everybody wanted and that ASOS got wrong. So yeah, let me know below. Did you get hold of the box? did you have any hassle? And I'm going to ask you to leave different things at the end of my videos to see who watches them right to the end. So if you're watching and listening here, leave me a star at the end of this video. I might change it up, it might not always be a wee star, but I'll know what the star means, okay? Thanks for watching, speak to you soon guys, bye.